welcome back to my channel. In case if you're seeing my face first time, my name is Shania and I'll make videos about lifestyle, hair and beauty, and today's video is all about skin. So these days I really like how my skin looks very hydrated, plump and radiant, and I achieved this hydrated glowy looking skin because of some products that I'm using it daily and it's part of my daily skincare routine. So I thought I have to share some information with you guys so you can also achieve a perfect skin that looks hydrated, plump and radiant. So firstly, let's talk about a serum that I'm really loving it and it's part of my daily skincare routine. So it's a L'Oréal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This serum is now part of my daily skincare routine and I'm using it daily and I really like this serum. Now L'Oréal Paris has also launched their Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cream, and using and layering same products with the same ingredients gives you better and more visible results. So I think this is going to be one powerful duo in skincare for me and for everyone, and I'm using this Hyaluronic Acid Serum twice daily, and this serum is now part of my daily skincare routine. Serum comes with the concentration 1.5% hyaluronic acid, and this is the best hyaluronic acid serum available in market. And the serum is very lightweight and non-sticky, and it's also absorbed very quickly. And this serum does not have any alcohol, paraben and fragrance, and it's suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. And hyaluronic acid also helps in minimize large pores so your skin looks more younger and brighter. And I have seen visible difference in my skin after using this serum. And not only this serum makes your skin hydrated, plump and smooth, but also improve the texture of your skin. And this serum can be applied on everyone and every skin types. I also use this L'Oréal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Sheet Mask and I really love the results. I use this sheet mask 2-3 times in a week to give my skin boost of hydration. Hyaluronic acid has capability to hold 1000 times its own weight in water, and hyaluronic acid molecule is responsible for making your skin look hydrated, plump and radiant. So now let's talk about the hyaluronic acid gel cream. This gel cream comes with the micro hyaluronic acid, which is able to penetrate deeper into the skin for higher efficacy. It is an advanced technology that makes this cream so different from the other creams available in market. And it is a translucent pearly gel which will just glide across your face, and it is non-sticky or non-oily on the skin. It's absorbed quickly into the skin and leaves a sensation of hydrated velvet skin, and it feels super comfortable on your skin. And this cream is also validated by dermatologists and it's suitable and safe for all skin types. And hyaluronic acid serum and hyaluronic acid gel cream is one powerful regime to follow. And also using same products with the same ingredients becomes more powerful. So now let's see how to use these products. So start with the clean face and take a 2-3 drops of hyaluronic acid serum and dab it on the face. And top it off with the hyaluronic acid gel cream for all day hydration and radiance. Take a pea-sized amount of L'Oréal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cream and dot it all over on your face. Gently spread and massage the cream in dabbing motion till the face cream gets completely absorbed into the skin. So for the best results, use twice daily, day and night, the combination of 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum and hyaluronic acid gel cream. So here you can see my skin says everything. My skin looks very hydrated, plump and radiant. And hyaluronic acid serum available in 2 sizes, 15 ml and 30 ml. And cream also available in 2 sizes, 15 ml and 50 ml. Use this product twice daily for youthful plumped skin, and if you want to check out these products, then I'll leave the links in the description box below, so check out there. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.